Just by being a subscriber and watching the videos, you are showing plenty of support towards the channel, and I could not be more appreciative for everyone that does that. However, there have been a couple of subscribers that have insisted on sending in a package. So today I have two packages here. Both are from different subscribers, and as a thank you, I'm going to be opening them up and seeing what's inside on camera. So this smaller box was sent by Red Fire and Security on YouTube, and this is actually coming overseas. This was sent from the UK to me over here in the United States. I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's go ahead and open it up. I think there is a note that I will not open here on camera just for the privacy. And I will quickly take a moment here to read the note, and then we'll open up the box. So the letter included a nice little note, and then there was also a wiring diagram to help me wire this up. And let's go ahead and see what we have. Ooh, there's something red here. Here it is. Wow. What could this be? Well, from what I've been told by Red Fire and Security on YouTube, this is a Cranford Controls Vantage 32-tone sounder beacon. This is a fire alarm that they use over in the UK. Alright, let's take a closer look at this alarm beacon. It looks like there is a locking screw here that is unscrewed, so I'll try pulling off the back cover here. There it is. Looks like this is your mounting bracket. Alright, taking a closer look at the back of the alarm here, it is a Vantage 32-tone combi alarm. So 32 different tones, that's quite a few. We'll have to make a different video on this at some point showing all the different tones. It looks like there's 3 different volume settings, high, medium, and low. It runs on 18 to 35 volts DC. It looks like there is a flash only mode. And then there are quite a few wiring terminals here, and what my understanding is that you can use these wiring terminals in like a 2-stage setup. So you can have 2 wires power the first stage sound, and then a separate 2 wires power a second stage sound. I've gone ahead and wired this thing up, and we'll go ahead and give it power and hear what a UK fire alarm sounds like. In 3, 2, 1. There it is. Surprisingly, it's actually not that loud. I am giving it its correct voltage. However, these alarms are actually not as loud as I was thinking. And this is only one of 32 different tones. So I'll have to make a separate video showing all the different tones. I can't wait to test this thing out a little more. I was just unwiring the sounder beacon, and I realized that it is set on its lowest volume setting. So that's probably why it sounded so quiet. But I'll have to do some further testing in the future and see how loud this alarm truly gets. Alright, time for the bigger box. This bigger box comes in from VelveetaMiyagi on YouTube. Let me know if I pronounced that right. Links to these channels will of course be in the description. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Here we go. Looks like we have lots of packing paper wrap. Looks like this might be a mounting bracket of some kind. Here it is. Can anyone guess what the alarm is just by the mounting bracket? If you think you know it, put it in the comments below. Here it is. It is a System Sensor SPSCW ceiling mount speaker strobe. VelveetaMiyagi said that it did come brand new and that it's just not in a box. And let's take a look at the back here. I don't have one of these in my collection, so this is new for me. It looks like it does come with different watt settings. Right now it's set on its 1 watt setting. It goes as high as 2 watt and as low as 1/4 watt. And then it can do a 1/2 watt and 1 watt as well. And then there is a voltage setting, so this alarm can run on 20 volts or 25 volts and 70 volts DC. And then I think this mounting bracket just kind of pops in here Just like that. So I was about to wire up the strobe here, and I realized that there are no strobe terminals on this mounting bracket. Do you see the speaker symbol here? That's meant for the speaker part of the alarm. And then the strobe flash symbol here, that's meant for the strobe part of the alarm. So I get the feeling that this mounting bracket is actually meant for a system sensor speaker only device. But we're not all out of luck, because I do have a system sensor wall mount version of this speaker strobe. And it does take a very similar mounting bracket, if not the same. And here's what it looks like. And as you can see, there are terminals for the strobe. It looks like it plugs in. Alright, testing out the strobe on the new System Sensor SPSCW in 3, 2, 1. There it is, it's working. I'll definitely test out the speaker of this alarm when it gets used on a future Wheelock SPMNS Safe Path system test video. Here's the 2 new alarms sent in by 2 awesome subscribers. I told both these subscribers that just by subscribing and watching the videos, they are doing plenty to support the channel. However, they both insisted on sending in these alarms. So I just wanted to express my appreciation for this. Both of these alarms will be added to the collection, both will be used, and both will be seen in future videos. So thank you to everyone who watches these videos, who is subscribed, and especially big thank you to these 2 subscribers that sent these devices in. Alright, thanks for watching, rate, comment, and subscribe, and please have a wonderful day.